Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by measuring chocolate and cream precisely. This ratio determines firmness. Once the cream reaches a gentle simmer, pour it immediately over chopped chocolate so heat transfers evenly. Make sure to let it sit undisturbed for 1-2 minutes to melt without stirring. This preserves shine. Then, using slow circular motions from center outward, emulsify until glossy. You're setting the foundation now. Accurate temps and an initial rest produce smooth ganache that sets predictably. You continue by refining texture and temperature. Slow strokes yield a silky emulsion, whereas vigorous whisking traps air. Once emulsified, cool the ganache while stirring occasionally to control crystallization. This is why temperature targets matter. If you want a pourable glaze, bring it to 30 to 35 degrees. For frosting or piping, cool further to 20 to 25 degrees. Make sure to incorporate a small amount of butter or syrup if you need extra sheen or stretch during assembly. You finish by applying ganache with purpose. For a smooth pour, hold the spatula steady and pour from 3 to 5 centimeters while turning the cake. This avoids ridges. For frosting or piping, whip cooled ganache until it holds shape, then chill briefly to stabilize. If the ganache splits or looks grainy, warm a small amount of cream, add it hot, and whisk slowly to re-emulsify. This rescue works because heat and tiny liquid additions rebind fat and chocolate into a stable mixture.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.